Welcome to our tutorial on how to use online audio editing tools. Today, we'll explore how these tools can simplify your audio projects. Let's take a look at some of the most popular online audio editing platforms you might consider, like Audacity Online, Twisted Wave, and Audio Joiner. First things first, let's sign up for an online audio editing tool. Most platforms will ask for your email and a password to get started. Once you're signed in, take a moment to navigate the user interface. Look for essential features like the timeline, audio tracks, and editing tools. Next, let's import your audio files into the editing platform. You can usually drag and drop files or use the import feature to browse your computer. Now, we'll cover some basic editing techniques. Learn how to cut, trim, and merge audio clips to create the perfect mix. Enhancing audio quality is vital. Adjust volume levels and add effects like reverb or echo to elevate your sound. Once you've finished editing, it's time to export. Choose the right format for your needs, whether it's MP3, WAV, or another file type. If you encounter issues during editing, don't worry. Common problems include audio lag or import failures. Check our troubleshooting tips to resolve them. Now that you know how to use online audio editing tools, we encourage you to give it a try. Unleash your creativity and start editing today.